In the reverse mortgage industry, there are two types of POAs. As you know, there's a traditional power of attorney that can act independent of the borrower on anything articulated in that power of attorney designation. We can also use that same POA for what we call a convenience POA that acts in conjunction with the borrower. With a convenience POA, the designee can sign most of the loan disclosures on behalf of the borrower. The borrower must sign a few documents, including the application and the counseling form. A strict POA, who will sign everything, is used when the borrower has been considered mentally incompetent to act on their own behalf. You may say that you have been doing POAs for years and that they can act independent of the borrower. While that may be true, the federal government will not allow a reverse mortgage to close on a loan with an adult child POA unless the borrower has gone through HUD counseling, signed that counseling form, and signed the application. This is done to protect mom from being taken advantage of by her adult child, perhaps, that may have a very old POA. If we move forward with a strict POA and an adult child is acting independent of mom because mom is no longer competent, we will have to get a doctor's letter saying that mom is no longer competent and that she was competent when she signed the POA. We can't have a POA from last week and a doctor's letter saying that she is not competent because the underwriter will say, how did she sign that POA last week then? Now, there is certainly a debate among some attorneys on whether everyone should have an adult child as their POA. I will certainly leave that up to your discretion, but in our opinion, it should be done. Because if they wait, it may be too late when they need it. If a borrower is no longer competent and does not have a power of attorney designated, then they must go to probate court and be conserved. Then the probate judge must give permission to move forward on the reverse mortgage. In this scenario, we would typically have the conservator or guardian do the counseling, apply for the mortgage, do the appraisal, have the exact terms, and then bring it to the probate judge for approval. I'm always happy and available to go with them to explain the program to the probate judge. Please call me with any questions.